tikman na natin guys. At syempre ang sarap. Prituhin natin yung ating marinated pork into soy sauce, oyster sauce, brown black pepper. And guys, second batch set aside. Prituhin din ang banana at potatoes. Magisa na tayo guys sa ating prinituhan. Garlic crust, onion slice. Mix it brown. Ilagay ang pork. Piniritong pork at saka lagyan ng liquid panglaga sa ating pork. Pineapple tidbits. Add soy sauce for color. Vinegar. Sugar. Then add potatoes and bananas. Seasoning granules.